and it's going to be a singles bout set for one fall, and it is for the Warriors of Wrestling No-Limits Title.
How do you like them apples?
Now in this match, there is no disqualification, no rope breaks, and no countouts. Weapons all legal, and there must be a pinfall in the middle of this ring. Introducing first, the challenger, hailing from the orchard of Boston, Massachusetts, weighing at 210 pounds. He is the Bad Apple, Matt Macintosh.
Oh, we're jumping the gun on this one. No. Oh, wait a minute. My God, a sit-out powerbomb from Matt Macintosh and only a 2.
You know what he calls that?
What does he call that, Top Shelf?
The MacBook Pro. That's sit-out powerbomb.
Joey Ace in a bad way to start off this match 2 seconds into it.
Beautiful.
And we've got a Tyson fight right now.
Give him that Tyson if he's got a Tyson shirt on. Oh, I love it.
Matt Macintosh and Joey Ace, unfinished business. This goes back months at this point.
Absolutely, but of course, their most recent meeting just a couple of weeks ago, elsewhere here in Staten Island, Joey Ace gets the victory. Little bit of thanks to Mr. Logan Black to that, I do believe.
And Joey Ace with a victory over Logan Black earlier as well.
At the beginning of March.
Yes.
At Mike Check, Mike on. Whatever it may be.
What is Macintosh going for now?
Could be another MacBook Pro. Another. Oh my goodness.
Oh. Joey Ace. Finally ready into this match. Using that sweatshirt. Joey Ace pushed too far. All of these challengers to his championship. Joey Ace not one to use weapons in the past, not one to even use his sweatshirt in the past. Choosing to go by mat wrestling, by high flying, by grappling alone. But now Joey Ace has that fight. He's finally embraced that no limits lifestyle.
Absolutely, 6 months into his title reign, he has to do something to keep holding on to that belt. Matt Macintosh, the Bandejas over the top rope, shot to the face by Joey Ace. He'll be trying to bring him in the hard way now. Oh my goodness!
Oh, Joey Ace DDTs Macintosh onto the apron. Both men are down. No limits indeed. the inside of the ring. The inside of the ring over the top to the outside, DDTing Macintosh. Face first on the ring apron.
Well, now, Stirring now. This could be it. Joey Ace can take advantage of this now. He could be retaining his belt. An easy night for Joey Ace.
1, 2, this could be it. No!
Only 2.
Come on!
Only a 2 for Joey Ace. Showing effects of that powerbomb early on, that MacBook Pro, as you called it.
That's what he calls it. Don't look at me. Go shoot the messenger, Matt Macintosh.
Sometimes I just can't take the puns, Top Shelf.
Right on my dress. Beautiful suplex by Joey Ace. Beautiful. Oh, wait a minute. It is certainly not located on Staten Island. Why would he waste his time? Joey Ace with a beautiful
Calling for the crowd and getting it. The crowd calling for more suplexes. Joey Ace now.
But that rocker dropper, nope, flips over him. And a big knee by Matt Macintosh. What could this be? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, the apple turnover by Matt Macintosh.
1, 2, this could be a new. No new limits. No limits champion.
Calm down. Don't hurt yourself. Matt Macintosh gets closer and closer with each match that he faces. Joey Ace back in October at Livewire 2014, available now on DVD as well as our video on demand services. Matt Macintosh and Joey Ace in a 4 quarters match. Matt Macintosh ever since losing out in that match.
The referee can do nothing here. Can do nothing.
He can do one thing and ask Joey if he quits.
Absolutely.
Matt Macintosh will be damned if he cannot try to wrestle away this No Limits Championship belt.
Lending more of this No Limits division, lending more to that street fight, hardcore matches. Using the ropes. Oh, another kick to Joey Ace's back. Must be excruciating after the way this match started. Joey Ace having to fight back each time. Even just breathing at this point. Probably labored for Joey Ace based on the damage caused by Matt Macintosh. Joey Ace may be out on his feet.
Macintosh rolls through. And a beautiful drop kick to the face.
How do you like them apples?
I love them. I love those apples. You better believe that I love those apples, man. Until Joey Ace returns my phone call, I don't have anything good to say about it.
Joey Ace, referee asking Joey Ace if he wants to continue. Joey Ace fighting on. More of those kicks driving the air from Joey Ace's lungs. Matt Macintosh may be looking at the new No Limits champion tonight.
Oh my goodness!
1, 2, no, oh!
A very interesting version of the Yoshi tonic, but that maneuver. My goodness! Catch him the big clothesline. And another.
Joey Ace like a chainsaw through an orchard here.
My goodness.
Like that pun?
Picking the fruit from the tree might have been better, but I mean, not all of us went to college for English and minored in communication.
I can't win with you ever.
Oh, you majored in playing the guitar. You suck. Joey Ace now. Getting this crowd rally. Matt Macintosh is on Dream Street.
Joey Ace knee first to the corner. Oh! Eats a drop kick to the back.
Joey Ace is out.
Wait a second.
Oh, wait a second. Oh, have we seen this before?
Looks like we have company.
Oh, he just spit his gum at Logan Black. You know what I would never do in my life? Make cartwheels down. Oh, catch him in the back of the head. Roll through. Oh no! Elbows back.
Joey Ace is
Logan Black.
Logan Black is legal as a wrist lock in this match.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh!
He catches Joey Ace with a lariat.
Turns Joey Ace inside out.
Oh, but he catches an elbow. Logan Black shouldn't be out here. He's got damn mop to deal with later. Oh, wait a minute. A jaw-jacking super kick by Joey Ace.
these three men, everyone unfinished business with each other. And now Joey Ace is
looking for that elbow.
looks like he's going to the top. The crowd calling for it. Will he drop it? Oh. Savage elbow from Joey Ace. 2, 3.
And he gets him again.
Retains his No Limits Championship belt.
Macintosh, show me how bad that apple is. Logan Black, I want to see the nightmare, because you guys will see the 5-star son, Aces High, Diamond Shine. Place your bets, because I'm walking out of Fun Station, still the No Limits Championship. Say 5 stars above the rest.